Hi everyone, I am Loghash. I have completed my BE Civil in the year of 2020. I have joined QSpider in 2022 in the month of October. QSpider is the best place to learn gain a knowledge in coding. Before joining QSpiders, I don't have any knowledge in coding. I have choose the full stack course in QSpiders. In that full stack course, I have learned SQL, Java, web technology, advanced Java. I have learned SQL from Nagaraj sir. He taught us SQL queries and SQL topics very well. I have learned Java from Chetan sir. He is very friendly and approaching style was very nice. And I have learned the web technology from Tamil Silvan sir. He taught us very well as front-end UI, and I have learned advanced Java from Nandhi sir. I have placed with the package of 3 LTA. Thank you for stocks and HR things.